found your name in an old notebook, written in ink that time never took. Every word I was scared to say still lives in the margins, faded gray. I kept my silence like it was gold, but silence turns into growing cold. And now these pages are all I hold of stories that I never told. If courage came a little sooner, if pride had let me breathe. And these are the letters I never sent, the words I hid, the nights I spent, rewriting truth inside my head, speaking to you in tears instead. If I could turn back time again, I wouldn't let my fear pretend that love is safer left unsaid. These are the letters I never sent. I traced your smile in memory, like it was carved inside of me. We let the distance win the fight. Two hearts too quiet to make it right. Maybe you never needed them, maybe you've already moved on, but somewhere between regret and hope, I'm learning to be strong. So here's to words I'll finally say, even if you're miles away. These are the letters I won't resent, but they help my broken heart mend. Every tear and every line taught me love is brave with time, and though we faded in the end, I found my voice within the pen, no longer scared of what love meant. Goodbye to letters I never sent. I closed the book and let you go.